All right, guys, welcome back to the channel and happy Friday. Hope you guys are staying safe. I know it's Black Friday today, but we are going to show you how to get free cryptocurrency. So currently, this is going to be faucets for a couple of different currencies. There's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, and Litecoin, and Dogecoin. So right now we're going to show you how to get started with it. I already have a couple of accounts set up. This is all going to go through a CoinPot account. Doesn't make any sense now, but by the end of the video, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But free cryptocurrency, you can't beat it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to moonlightco.in. So it's basically Moonlight Coin. That's just the .in sites that they have. They also have a Moon Bitcoin, a Moon Dash, Doge. I'll show you those in a second. So it's going to ask you to sign in. Okay, so let's act like I don't have one. So we're just going to make up a random one. So I'm not a robot, yada, yada, yada. Let's do the buses, verify, sign in. Okay, so it's signed in. See, let it load. And it's going to ring like a little bell when it has a current, it needs to be received. Actually, I'm sorry, this one I already have a CoinPot account with this. So we're actually going to use a completely different one. That's my current one. So we're going to make up one. Let's do Lottie3rd at Gmail. Or no, actually, so I got to get the email. So let's do rent a place fast at gmail.com. I'm in real estate, so it's one of our websites. Let's go and verify the bike. I don't know why I clicked that one. Traffic lights. Yeah, you gotta love these verifications. So signing in, there, look, there's no valid wallet. So we're gonna register account. You literally go to register an account and place fast at Gmail, and we're gonna make up a password. And we'll enter the password again. We'll say I'm not a robot. We'll check the motorcycles because that's what I asked for. And we'll hit, oh, yeah, accept the terms and conditions. You can read them if you want. I already read over them. Going to go to my email, refresh it, and it's going to send me a link. So I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to come over here. And this is because it's on a separate browser. You can honestly just click it. Confirm registration. It'll reload. It'll take you to the CoinPot. When you click sign in, you're going to enter your password you just entered. I'm not a robot. Sign in. Important. Da, da, da. So they're going to authorize my device. This is my verification email. So now I'm going to get a authorization. Copy that link. Or you can just click it if you're on the same browser. But this is completely separate browser. So that's why I got to copy and paste. All right, so it's authorized. Now it's going to reload. Give it some time. And boom, here we go. So now we have CoinPot, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Litecoin, and Doge. So I'm going to show you my current balance. This is after it's registered. So great, it's already registered. Awesome. So now I'm going to go to what I currently have, and we're going to claim. You can see I currently have 61,399 Litecoins in my box right now. So I'm going to hit claim. I have the type-in captchas on, so I'll say which one is yellow, orange juice, of course. No, it's a yellow submarine because it's yellow. So we'll claim it, it'll process the claim, and boom, we just got 1,136 lights, and there's 100 million lights in one light, so it's all divisible by 100 million. And here's our Doge. We'll go ahead and claim some Doge. Click claim now. EABLIO. Claim. Process the claim. Exit out the extra browser. And look, we just claimed a fourth of a Doge basically, or a little bit over that. My current balance is 16. So let's go to my CoinPot account so you guys can kind of see the concept. It's really the same for Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Dash. It's the same exact concept. You just go through the steps and you claim them. So I'm going to go to coinpot .co, I'm sorry, coinpot.co. Once you're at CoinPot, we're going to go ahead and sign in. Let's see. These are the current claims for Randy. So we're going to, I'm not a robot, sign in. Never, I don't want to save it. All right, so now I got that verification email. I'm going to enter the email or the link. Now it's going to say authorized. Yes, it's been authorized. Okay, great. Let's close it. Go to our dashboard. And now we see our current totals. So this is how many Bitcoins I have. I can go to my Bitcoin Core summary, or this is Satoshis, I'm sorry. So I have 415 Satoshis. So let's say, hey, I want to withdraw them. Okay, great. Now I got to enter in my Bitcoin Core wallet. Obviously, you go to either your Ledger Nano, or you can go to Atomic Wallet, or you can go to Guardia. There's so many different wallets, but we're gonna hit I'm not a robot. So just make up any one if you wanted, but currently they have a limit, so you have to withdraw at least a thousandth, or I'm sorry, not a thousandth. It looks like it's, let's see, one, two. So that's 10,000 Satoshis is what we need to withdraw. I don't have 10,000. I only have 415. So I gotta wait till I get 10,000 Satoshis. You just claim every day and eventually it'll add up. So if we go back to our dashboard, there's different options. You can even gamble away with them. I wouldn't recommend it. Gambling is a losing game. It's not worth it. So just slowly build them up. It's free cryptocurrency. You can't beat it. So same thing with Dogecoin. Withdrawal with Dogecoin. It's currently 50 Doge. So I only have 16 Doge. So I gotta wait. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. You guys can kind of get the concept. It's the same thing with the Litecoin. Litecoin, I think it's 50,000 lights that you need. And then Dash, I think it's 0.002 Dash. And then same thing with Bitcoin Cash. They all have limits because they're sending them to you for free. So the reason they have limits is if you send it every single time, it's going to cost them more money. The whole drawback or the whole draw of this platform is to get you on here and to go to their multiplier or their lottery, deposit Bitcoins, and basically just spend your money. But it's theoretically you get the free tokens. So if you don't gamble away and don't fall for the game, you're gonna make a win-win on it. So with the CoinPot tokens you get this with every claim you get. It'll say like, hey, you just won this. So I'll show you now. Let's claim the Dash. I'll show you what it says so you guys can see it. Claim Dash. I'm not a robot. Of course I'm not. And we're gonna claim it. So it's gonna process the claim. It's going to tell us how much we got. And okay, so we had some mystery bonus, referral bonuses, etc. I'll leave a link in there in the bottom of the description as a referral bonus, so you guys can get a bonus and extra on top of that, like extra in addition to what you spend. So we just currently got this, and it'll also add other CoinPot tokens. I'm trying to see where that's at. Guess it doesn't show up on this one, but over time you get CoinPot tokens. So with the CoinPot tokens, you can spend these. So this is where you can go to the multiplier. You can say, hey, I want to multiply by 2, 5, 10, 100, and obviously the percentage will change. So look, right now it's 0.1% chance to 1,000x your money, or you can do 100x, where it's 1%, 20x, 5%, 10x, 10%, 5x, 20%, or double X, 50-50. So there's a even 50-50. This is how it works. We can say I'll stake 10 CoinPot tokens. Okay. I just staked 10 CoinPots and I just won 10 because I checked it to say roll low and it rolled below a 500. So let's say we'll select roll high and we'll stake 10. Oh man, I lost. Okay, so I just lost 10 tokens. So you guys can understand the concept is I mean, it's a 50-50 chance. So now, based on numbers, I should win this one. But it's not always like that. So let's see what happens if I do 10 again. Okay, so I won 10 tokens. But I'm going to stop playing because gambling is not worth it. So let's go back to the dashboard. And the website's coinpot.co, just so you guys can have that. That's where you register your account. And then all the claims are going to be moondash.co.in, moondoge.co.in. I'll put links in the description so you guys can go to them super easy so you guys can start making some claims. Really easy to do, especially right now. You can claim it says every 5 minutes, but give it at least an hour between claims because it stocks up over time. You see it's 18 and it'll go up to 19 and so on. Doge is the funnest one to claim because those go up so fast. 420, 421, 422. But another website you can also go to is called freebitco.in. This is the same thing. Not the same thing, but it's similar. So how this works is, look, I just rolled 1642. So I just won 2 free lottery tickets. I won 6 reward points and I won point 0 or 12 satoshis. So the reason why I got 12 satoshis is because I rolled 9,885. So say I rolled this much, that means I'd get 119 satoshis. All right, and then if I rolled this much, I'd get 1,187 satoshis, and so on. So this rate changes as the price of Bitcoin changes. So if it goes up, you're going to get less. If it goes down, you're going to get more. That's just how the site works. It has its own algorithms. Don't ask me why. It's not my site, but it's free Bitcoin, so you can't complain. So once you get those Bitcoins, you can go to multiplying BTC. Again, I do not recommend this. So, well, it looks like they have a bonus day, 3 times reward points, whatever that. Oh, that's why I got 6 reward points, because I was only getting 2 of them. So, hey, start spending now and sign up. You get 3 reward points. What you can do with the reward points is you can actually sell them. So I currently have 439. I can cash them out. Price per point is Satoshi. So I'll show you how that works. So let's do, oh, well, minimum of 100,000. So never mind. We're not going to see how that works because it won't work. But just so you guys can see the numbers, it'll allow you to do that. So let's see if it works. Maybe it might. 39. We're going to in cash. Yeah. So it can't be less than 100,000. You can buy points if you want. It's not worth it. Don't mess with it. So this is where you can spend your reward points though. You can increase your bonus. You roll 50%, 100%, 5,000. These are the different costs for them. You can do buy gift certificates with them. So it's a lot of free stuff, which is pretty cool, just for spending. But again, the draw to the platform is to come on here and spend money. They want you to go here, deposit Bitcoin, and I don't recommend doing that. Um, any money you spend on this site, you can't worry about losing it because gambling, you're going to lose every time, even when you win, because you're going to be addicted and you'll try gambling again. Don't do it, guys. So instead, just get the free Bitcoin, spend, maybe hope that you get the, what is that? 1,187,337 Satoshis, which will get you like $200. So, geez, hopefully you'll spend that. If not, who cares? It's a free spend. You can spend this every hour. They have a countdown clock, and that's how you can get some free Bitcoin, some free Doge, free Dash, free Bitcoin Cash, free Litecoin. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification. We're always going to make some videos about tips and tricks on how to get different cryptocurrencies free, how to use wallets, how to set up a Bitcoin account, or even just simply learning about the cryptocurrencies. So thanks for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And again, hit that bell notification, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.